QIE Group loop-type extractor successfully delivered today. The loop-type extractor is a key piece of equipment in large-scale vegetable oil processing plants. It's widely used for soybeans, peanuts, rapeseed, cottonseed, sunflower seeds, flaxseed, and more. By driving materials with a scripture chain frame, it achieves efficient oil extraction, greatly improving production efficiency. This equipment not only represents advanced made-in-China technology, but also reflects QIE Group's decades of expertise and innovation in edible oil processing development. With efficient design and stable performance, our equipment will help plants in Mexico and worldwide expand their markets and achieve higher production value and benefits. Adhering to the principle of quality is everything, QIE Group will continue to provide global edible oil producers with high-performance, high-efficiency equipment and complete solutions, working together with clients to achieve even greater success in the future.